Hello everyone, it's Jose. For the GLP tip of the day, it's about synergy in a team. As a leader, it's important to have a team that gets along well and works together well. So what can you do to help that? There's many different questionnaires and things that you can do to be able to find out what people's behaviors are, what they like and what they dislike. Now, it's not just about doing one of these questionnaires and getting the results. It's also about understanding what the results mean and what are you going to do as a leader to be able to ensure that you're helping your employees or colleagues use each other to the best of our abilities. For example, you can do things such as Myers-Briggs, DISC, and a variety of other ones, 360 leadership, etc. So look into them, but also look into a consultant that can help you understand the results and follow up for the future. Thanks everyone, and have a great day.